Hey everyone, how are you? So another Christmas gift set we have at Farmasi is the Vixen Eye gift set, and it comes with the double lash extend and a black express eye pencil and the eyebrow and lash Capixyl growth serum. So this really helps get your lashes to grow long and thick. It also has helped my eyebrows get thicker because I've plucked them a lot. So I've had some thinning and it's helped fill in those hairs. I don't usually use an eye pencil, but these glide on so smooth. You can use it on your upper lid to bolden up those lashes. Use it on your waterline, use it on the outside. It goes on super smooth, lasts all day, no running, no smudging. The eyebrow lash serum is great for growth. And then this is my new favorite. It's the double lash extend. I already have the volume, and it's a two-step. So you do volume and then, lengthen and then volume. So I already have the lengthen on this eye and nothing on this eye. And then I will go in with the volume. Hey everyone, how are you? I'm getting used to doing Instagram. So now I'll go in with the volume, and this will really give you a ton of volume. And you can do all your lashes, just do the outer corner of your lashes, wherever you want volume. And I only do the volume on the upper lashes, but look how much more volume it has given me. It is so wonderful, and it doesn't flake, it doesn't smudge. Like when I wash it off, it washes off. I don't have raccoon eyes in the morning, because that's one of my biggest things, is not being able to get it off and having raccoon eyes in the morning. That drives me nuts. So then this is the volume, step one, and you can see how that much volume it is giving me. And the Capixyl growth serum, I always call it Capixyl, but it's Capixyl. Capixyl growth serum really helps your lashes grow. But look at that, just with the lengthen. And then I put it on lower, and it has a beautiful silicone wand that really helps everything just glide on. You see how much length I get with that? And then let me do the volume. Try not to poke my eyeball out. And look how much volume you get added to that. It's almost like I have fake lashes, or I have added lashes in there. But I don't. It's just my natural lashes, and it's from this and this. Two great items. It's a gift set. You get all three items. It's a super great value. The price of it is $34.90, and if you buy them individually, it's $55.70. If you're a beauty influencer, for $20, you're a beauty influencer. You don't have to work the business, but you can get 50% off of it. So that makes it like, I think $17, $18. Super great gift idea. It comes in a little box. I'll post a picture of the box after in my stories. So I just wanted to share that with you. And all I'm using today is the BB cream and the CC cream mixed together. It's my winter mixture. And then I just used the peach palette for all of my contour and my eyes and everything. You can even do your brows with it. So it's a great palette. You can one and go. It's super easy. But I hope you all have a blessed day, and thank you for joining me. Wanted to keep this quick and short, and have a great day.